Okay, guys. So, looking at what kind of messages, right, Saranya, that we are going to send across in the submission content column.
Okay.
Okay. So now the first thing that you see here is called empty column. Okay.
Text is empty.
So you can fill your own name or you can give a random name. Okay.
Okay.
First name. The first name can be a random first name, or if you want to give your own name, go to self-define.
Okay.
And input your name. So whatever, Henry, whatever. Okay. Last name, a random last name, or if you want the your own name to be done, go to self-define, Albert. Okay. Random name, company name, you can give company name, or if you want to give your own company name, First Look AI, you can give that. Correct, guys?
Okay.
Okay.
And then email.
Random email. So if you give your own email, your email will be flooded with messages.
Okay.
So but if you want real clients, you have to give your own email. Okay, real clients.
Okay.
Like who want to contact you, give your own email. Same, self-defined. Okay. Random phone number or your phone number, you'll be flooded with calls. You get hundreds of calls, right, Charanya? Facts and street, random city. If you want, you can input all that. Okay.
Okay.
County, state, whatever.
Country, state.
Country, India, whatever. US.
Two countries are here.
That is county.
Oh, sorry.
That's county.
Sorry,
Okay,
sorry,
not
sorry,
country.
sorry.
Okay, subject. What kind of subject that you're looking at? Okay, so typically what do we want to promote, Sharanya? We want to promote, say, First Look AI website, right? Or YouTube video, whatever. First Look AI website, let's promote. Okay, so in order for us to promote the First Look AI website, what is the message that we want to give others to make us check out our website? So it should be a message that people can click and come to our website. Okay, artificial intelligence in digital marketing training. Okay.
Okay.
Marketing, just that. Okay, training and all we'll do the later. So that is the subject. Message, what is the message, Saranya? Self-defined. Message will be you got to know this now. Okay. And now bit.ly link, we'll have to use a bit.ly to track. Okay, let me go to my website, hold on, and let me also go to bit.ly. Okay, guys, I'm going to bit.ly. Okay, Saranya?
Okay.
First, let the website load. I'll close all the rest of this one. Captcha breaker, we already told them, right? How it works?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Cool. So this is our website. I'm going to copy this link, copy the main URL. Okay, you must be knowing about bit.ly. This is advertisement hacking, guys. Click on this, create, and you'll get something, and you change this something. If you want to change it, you just change it to something. Say first, see this now. Okay, see this now here. Okay, whatever. You can just change it to whatever link and copy this link and head over to here and paste it. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay. And website, give the same thing. No, I'm saying
okay,
the bit.ly link.
Okay.
For to track. Okay.
Okay. We are going to track how many
clicks and all.
Clicks come from GSA content.
Exactly. And newsletter, you can give 0. That is fine. Okay. Random name, you can give a random name or whatever name. Henry. You can give whatever you want. Roshan will give Ratik, whatever.
Everything okay.
Whatever. Okay, done. So that's all. Sharanya, website we are given the bit.ly website, no? Currently we are given. Okay, pretty good, Sharanya. Pretty good. That's all. So click on OK. We are all set to right now send the messages. Correct. So you can also duplicate the campaign by clicking on this and duplicate to speed up the process. But I recommend to run one campaign at a time. Okay, guys. If you have a lot of proxies, if you have a lot of captchas, you can run unlimited campaigns for lifetime. And go to options. Checking submission, you give 300, 200, whatever you want. The good number should be like 300 to 500. So it will send 300 messages at once. Checking submission, it will send it will scrape 300 search results at once. Okay. Done. If you want to blacklist a website, like say you don't want to reach out to xyz.com, you can write xyz.com that you don't want to reach out to. You can add, click on this, and then you can add the blacklist website, right? Okay. So you can do that. Okay, guys. Then tools. Wait. Tools.
Okay.
Then if you want, you can obviously you can import urls in the sense like say what all websites you want to send across your what do you call your message. You can do
Okay.
that. That's all. Then you can duplicate this and change the when you duplicate this, what happens, Charanya? It'll copy the websites as well. Whatever
Yeah.
websites you put it here, it'll copy those. Okay, pretty good, Charanya. Let's get ready.
Okay.
Okay, we are all
We are
set.
going to start this.
And I think at the end of 5-10 minutes, we are going to show you a lot of clicks coming in. Lot of clicks. We're going to show you. So click on start. Scrape plus check plus send. The last option.
Okay.
You got to click that only. Okay, Charanya?
You all.
Okay, wait. Before we click that, yeah, that is fine. Let's click it. Okay, just what I was saying is before we click that, you got to say abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Super. Now click on this and then click on this. Now you see this, Saranya, what is happening? It's going to reach out to all the websites here.
Good.
It's going to send a lot of messages. You saw this, Saranya? How many websites is sending the messages?
Wow.
Wow. See how many websites is sending the message. You saw this, Saranya?
Yeah.
Already 23 messages, 26 messages sent. Just see the Saranya. 34 messages sent, Saranya.
Super good. Wow.
39 messages sent, 42 sent, 43 sent, 45 sent. Woohoo! 46 cents, Saranya. So like this, what's going to happen? 47 cent. So we'll leave it for some time. Let it be sending. So here you can find out as it is sending which keyword it has used to get this website URL.
Okay.
And this ready message sent is a successful message sent. Status busy means it is still sending. Okay, and this doesn't have a contact link. Okay, and this is a captcha error which no captcha is not be able to solve by GSA captcha breaker.
Okay.
There's something called no captcha that is not able to solve. If you don't have GSA captcha breaker, right, what will happen? That error also will not get. It say no captcha service found.
Oh.
Okay. So even death by captcha can solve a good this one, but GSA captcha breaker also good. Okay. You saw that how much it is sending, Charanya?
Yeah, it's great.
It's amazing, right, Charanya? So let's see how much it has sent right now. It has sent 72, Saranya, already. 74, it's increasing, 76, whatever. So you'll be getting calls if you put a, say a phone number or whatever, you'll get a call also along with that. Pretty good. Phone number there in the settings, right? I mean, in the project settings, correct?
Correct.
Cool. So now let me show you live proof. Let me refresh the page. I'm showing a live proof. Nobody will show a live proof. One click. You saw that, guys? And that is from India. Now what we are going to do is we are going to increase this one click to a lot of clicks. The next ultimate software we are going to use is called as GSA URL Redirect Pro.
Okay.
You're going to open that. Okay, guys?
Okay.
So let me brief you about what is GSA URL Redirect Pro. Okay? GSA URL Redirect Pro is an amazing software, okay, that will help you to shorten your long URLs. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Hard to read users, smaller URLs. Okay, and then once you shorten the URLs, you can redirect these URLs with the keywords that you wanted. Okay, and you can use another tool called as GSA SEO Indexer.
Okay.
GSA SEO Indexer to actually rank these URLs, these created URLs on the search engines, so that when people search for the particular keyword, this is called intent targeting.
Okay.
When people search for, say, digital marketing, they will see that URL load.
Correct.
They will see one. You would have seen a lot of sites like you'll think it's a fake site, but when you click on digital marketing, when you type, you'll see one or two sites that will appear in the second page, third page. When you click on that, you'll redirect to First Look AI. Understood, guys?
Okay. Yes.
So like that, you can redirect to your own sites. Okay, pretty amazing it is. So let me just show you how it works. Long URL, we got to paste one. What is the URL we got to paste? Firstlookai.in. No, we got to paste this one.
Okay.
This one, okay?
Okay, Bitly.
That Bitly link. Okay, guys, what are the keywords, Saranya? Wait, before we paste, what are the keywords? The keywords are already here, correct?
Yeah, right.
So we can not this.
No.
This is not a keyword. This is this one. This is a keyword, no?
Yeah.
So we got to copy this, save it somewhere, Saranya. Okay, Saranya's amazing keywords. I've saved it in desktop. Import. Okay, Saranya's amazing keywords. I hope she's happy with that. Okay, I imported that.
Okay.
Text file done. So now we are going to click on this green
Okay.
arrow. Before we click on it, what I wanted to do is I also have SEO indexer. That's a different software. Turn on that also.
Okay. Okay. At the same time,
So
you have to turn on URL
both
redirect and SEO
both
index.
both. Once it does, what's going to happen here is, Saranya,
Okay.
it's going to create thousands of URLs based on this. That'll redirect to this, and this will be indexed on search engines on SEO indexer. Okay.
Oh, good.
Understand how it works. Okay. So now we got to let it start. SEO indexer has started. Let us find it has started. Get ready, Saranya. Click on the green one here. There we see thousands of URLs created now. Saranya.
Super good. Cool.
And just see the SEO indexer here, Saranya. SEO indexer. Let's see how it loads. We have to make sure these two are in sync. That these two are in sync. Okay. Okay. These URLs are coming here, and one by one, you see this. It is indexing that URL. It is indexing that URL. Can you see that? This is indexing the URLs which is coming through GSA URL Redirect Pro and redirecting it to where? Bitly.
Bitly, yeah, right.
If you believe me, go back to this, refresh the page. Saranya, 4 clicks.
4 clicks.
You saw that? Wait for some more time. It's come from Russia, 3 from India. Let's wait for some more time. Saranya, now enter. Saranya. Let's wait for 2 minutes. 2 more minutes. Let's wait. Let it run. 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 You are doing the ads hacking. You are doing the ads hacking. Okay, we don't want to have music videos in between the course. Come. so it's indexing. It is indexing. It is indexing right now, guys.
Okay, now refresh the page.
Refresh the page. 8 clicks. Woohoo! So if you wait for some, it's for Netherlands. Saranya.
Oh,
Netherlands, okay?
India, Russia.
2 from Russia and one
from
Netherlands. And you can see email, SMS direct. So what happens is, guys, why it is coming email, SMS direct is, some people in the contact form, right, have configured, like, if they get an email inquiry through email, through the contact form, it will come to their SMS also.
Oh.
So like that they are configured. Some people have configured that if it comes to email, it will go to the secretary's SMS also.
Okay,
so like that you'll get double, triple traffic.
Correct. Good.
So now let's see, Saranya. This is called as marketing legend Sridhi Ranganathan. I think 2 minutes. It was kind of what do you call out of sync. Let me do the dialogue once again after 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, it'll come properly. Yeah, it'll come. No problem. It'll come properly. Don't worry. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Hold on, guys. Hold on. So as in it researches, as in it wins. Okay.
Okay.
So now let me try. Let us try, Sharanya, now.
Okay, try.
Try harder because 9 clicks coming in.
Okay, plus 1.
Yeah.
1.
Okay. So 8 plus 1 is 9. We learned it in school. And these are 10 clicks coming in.
10
Oh, 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, now, okay, Russia got 3 clicks, Saranya. Russia got 3 clicks.
From Russia, we got 3 clicks.
Yeah. Exactly, Saranya. It's all the 12 clicks coming up. Sharanya, 12 clicks.
Great, it's running.
It's one from one more. I don't know which country is it, but one more country coming in and joining in the action. Okay, 12 clicks. Make it 12. Hold on for a second. Okay, so like that, what is going to happen is it's going to so let it run for 5-10 minutes. In the next video, let's show how all this is working. So what we'll do is let that keep on running, okay, for 5-10 minutes. Okay. We'll show you the next tools. Once the tools are loaded, we'll come back to this and see the clicks. Now it is 12 clicks.
Right.
Mind it, note it down. It is 12 clicks, guys.
Now the time is 2.02. The clickers are 12. Okay,
are you sure it's 12? Don't worry, it's 13, but just keep it there 13. Okay, 13 one time, 13 2 times, 13 3 times. Keep it to 13 and we'll check back. Okay, cool. Let's move on to the next video right now. But before that, I want to talk to you one more thing here. So if you want to stop this, you can always stop this here.
Okay.
But I don't want to stop it because I want to show you the live proof coming in. Okay.
Okay.
If you're given an email, you would have got your email will be flooded. If you're given a phone number, your phone calls will be flooded. You get a lot of clients. Everybody will come to know who you are. Your awareness, your brand awareness, you will be able to decipher here. Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Let's move on to the next video right now.